In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Bank of America mobile app with this simple step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone or any iOS device, this will be the App Store. On an Android device, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. These applications are typically represented by colorful icons and can usually be found on your home screen or within a folder dedicated to system apps. Take a moment to locate and open the appropriate store for your device. The App Store for iOS users usually features a blue icon with a stylized A, while the Play Store for Android is represented by a triangle-shaped icon with multiple colors. Once you've opened your respective app store, the next step is to navigate to the search function, generally marked by a magnifying glass icon. In the search box, you'll want to type in Bank of America app. As you start typing, suggestions may appear, and you can select the app from the list if it appears. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure that the store can load the search results without any hitches. Now, once the search results have loaded, look for the official Bank of America mobile app. It's important to make sure you are downloading the right one since there could be multiple apps with similar names. The official app usually has the bank's logo, a flag-like icon, and is developed by Bank of America itself. Downloading an app from the correct developer minimizes security risks and ensures that all operations are secure and supported by the bank. After you've located the app, the next step is to initiate the download process. To do this, simply click the Install button. On iOS devices, this button might say Get, and you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID credentials or use Touch ID or Face ID to proceed. For Android users, you can click Install, and the download will begin automatically. Be patient. It might take a few moments for the download and installation to complete, depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, you should see its icon appear on your home screen or app drawer. From here, you can open the app and proceed with the setup as per your convenience. This might include logging in with your existing Bank of America credentials or setting up your account if you're using the app for the first time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Bank of America mobile app. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to check out the support options available within the app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances on the go with the Bank of America mobile app.